Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to send video messages on Telegram. So with these few steps you will be able to send videos. Open your Telegram app and go to the text or the person you want to send video messages to. So here at the bottom right you will see this mic option. You just need to tap on it in order to enable this camera icon. Just give it a quick tap and you will see this option. So to record the video, long press the camera icon and you will see that you are recording a video here. So in order to lock your video recording, you need to swipe up. If you need to send your video, just release the hold and it will be sent. So if you need to record your videos from your back camera, you just need to click on this flip button here and it will flip your video recording to your back camera. And that's how you send video message on Telegram Messenger. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.